Okay, I'm getting fucking rained on. Day. Pussy ass dog. She's a pussy. Of course she's scared. I missed it.
It was bright.
I want to test the water capability of my recorder, but I don't want to get rained on.
They were to go down 15 feet with it, I think it says.
Oh, I'm getting rained on.
Well, that line disappeared. I mean, the pookie is gone.
It's because it's raining so hard. You can't see nothing. You can't even see Sonic anymore. I love it when it's like this.
Oh, these so good. I wish I had this old tiny window that had covers on the top. Crack the window, it wouldn't rain in. Lay there and see like goddamn rain.
Look at the waves that it's putting on the street.
Yep. Guess I want to go turn that garbage can over so it won't rain in. Look at this shit coming. No, they come early in the morning. I got up at 6:30 to count into the garbage. Hurts so bad.
Oh, he's scared me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Not the smartest idea I've ever had. Oh hell. Okay. 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 Okay, yeah, that's enough of that.